Hey guys, Warden of Secrets here. Today I have a sore throat, but never mind, let's do a Penspinning tutorial, #7 the charge. First you want to grip the pen like this, between your middle finger and your ring finger, with your pinky and your ring finger in the front, and your middle finger and your index at the back, and you have your thumb right here to stabilize. You push with your ring finger and you pull back with your middle finger. So when you do that, you should really feel the pressure on your thumb now. And then you let your thumb slip away, like this. And the pen should go here. Also notice that I stretch my fingers out. First I have them curled in, like this. Then I stretch them out. So again, push with your ring finger and pull back with your middle finger and stabilize with your thumb. Then let your thumb slip away. The pen will go around here when you stretch your fingers out. Now that's the first part of the trick. The second comes now. When you've done that, you do it again. You want the pen to go here and back. So what you need to do is you put your ring finger up and you lower your middle finger, like this. So the pen can go here now. Again, you are here and you put your ring finger up and you lower your middle finger, and then you curl your hand in. So you have it here and you curl it in. So you have it back in your hand. And then you can do the same thing again. And put your ring finger up and lower your middle finger and take it back. Just practice that. I'd call that stage 1 of learning the trick. Stage 2 would be without your thumb, like this. And stage 3 is when you can do it continuously. I prefer to do it with my thumb, like that. And that's basically it. I will make the #8 Sonic tutorial soon, which is very similar to this. This one, or this one is also a Sonic. And with both you can make the Sonic Rise. And I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.